Why would you wake up from the coma? No one cares and no one knows you.
Hey, push. Tapped him on the head.
I got him. One more. One down.
Yes, Ramon.
Big ball push it. All of us.
Going.
Down.
Got him down. Healed him.
Be here with me, bro. Push them in. Let's hit loads. One's hit fucking.
One down in the car.
Oh, there's one more above.
He went up.
Bro, you guys got...
One dead, one with a gun dead.
I don't even know where he is.
How about fuck you, dipshit?
I'm just gonna shoot randomly in directions.
Ah! Hey!
Ghost, we're getting attacked by ghosts.
One's lit up.
They're shooting back up.
One down.
One down.
Jake, push me. Jake, go.
Push.
Force them. I'm gonna get them out. Will mess out here.
Alright.
I'm shooting as well. I hit one. One on the roof is hit. He's gonna get pushed from both sides.
I'm whiffing. Two dead.
Who's got any armor?
They're coming back. Get ready.
Right, jump over.
Yeah.
Backside, front side.
This car.
One in the head. Big one in the head. They're making us waste our ammo.
No! Fuck, bro. Good shit, bro.
They're on stairwell.
Down. One down.
Nice.
Down.
Hit.
I think that's all.
Yeah,
One
lower,
below
one
in the
lower.
car park below.
One lower.
Lower?
Yeah, hit twice.
He's almost down. He's so hit.
They're all low.
One dead. A car park low. Open atom roof. One on big roof, one open atom roof.
They're on foot.
Ping one in head.
Oh, whiffing. Fuck it.
Where are they?
One down.
Go.
Me and Ramon are dead.
He was on the stairs.
Hard left. He's tucked. He's literally.
We pushing him, yeah?
He's pinged. He's pushing. Is he?
He's that, or he's really low then.
Yeah, I pinged him in the back of the head.
He's not dead.
Where'd he go?
Far right staircase, I think. Far right staircase.
Dead. I need to rub a bit hard on it. That's him.
How about there, mate?
What the fuck is us?
Oh, fumbles.
Let's have a conversation, by the way. You took our spray, boy.
Nah, bro, nah,
Simple.
bro, nah.
You took our spray, bro. That isn't that over? Fair enough. Joey, get out the fucking car.
There's Johnny. Fine.
How is he dead?
Mate, how is he not dead?
Is he dead?
Yeah, he's dead. He's on the westbound, close boulevard, gone past pawn shop. Now if he takes a left.
Pawn shop.
We're being chased. That
We're
tower's
being
out.
Ow! Help, push pawn shop now!
Might have to get out, bro.
Yo, where are you,
Right,
bro?
go to the alley by the hospital.
Get out and smoke. Where are you? In the car. Help me!
Ow! Help! Push pawn shop now!
They're trolling. They're not trolling.
Yo, where are you, bruv? This you. Get out. Get out and smoke. Where are you?
Get yourself clear to be able to drive.
Not to fall off.
Getting
Shot.
shot.
Am I fine?
It's from down below.
There's no way you probably can't get down there.
Shit.
Roof on the right, roof on the left, bottom left.
You good, Bill?
Bill, you alive? Okay. On the left, boys. On the left.
That final ladder.
You go on the roof on the right, you might be able to get in spud from the back, Ben.
This way. Push this way.
He's
Yeah,
wide
the car
peeking,
is out
he's
there.
wide peeking.
Fucking whiffing.
Come on, mate. Lock in. You good?
We're going gas. Me and Bill are on gas.
They're on gas.
There's 2 on roof running. Is that you shooting?
One down, one dead.
Yeah, me and Bill on gas. Fucking lit up on gas. Not gas, roof on the side.
We're coming on
gas. Two down, I got
Two dead on gas. 2 dead on roof.
Fucking insane.
We're coming gas.
Yo, good shit.
Yeah, you're getting shot. Got him again, bro. I got fucking 3 of them.
Yeah, got him. Got them both.
Got him, yeah.
Just keep an eye on our block, yeah.
Black Comet's coming in
Dead. Dead behind gas station.
Who's gas? Who's at gas?
One in gas.
He's surrendered. He's put his hands
Surrender.
up.
I don't think it's one of them. I don't think it's one of them.
He's not one of them, is it?
Why did you wake up in a coma? No one cares and no one knows you.